Wow, huge crash in Bitcoin, major crash. How's your portfolio doing? Did you get caught up in this massive crash yesterday, or is your portfolio doing better? Now that has crashed, is this now the chance to get in on the cheap? And also, who could have predicted this? And as you can see, 2 days ago in my Discord, I told everyone, heavy warning to be very careful here, because that 43, 44, 45K area is big resistance for Bitcoin. Futures funding rates are red hot, right? So we're seeing a natural flush down to 39K, right? There is some weak support at 41K possibly. And that's pretty much exactly what we saw yesterday. Bitcoin hit 41K in a major dump and then basically bounced off that weak support and then nearly hit 39K. We're only inches away from hitting that 39K. But the big question is this flash or dump over? And is the bull market still continuing? Is now the best time to get in? In my estimation, I think Bitcoin goes for one more small wick into the 39K area, right, which is inside this rising channel, but quickly bounces off and gets back into this little triangle area. The top is this 43K area, so I expect more bouncing between this 40K to 43K area. The whole point of trading is to buy these dips when you are sure it is a bull market. Now let's revisit why I called this a bull market about 5 weeks ago in early November. It was because BlackRock announced they're applying for a Ethereum ETF. Remember, they have been applying for a Bitcoin ETF for a long time now. But the difference is Bitcoin can run on its own, and altcoins, right, like Ethereum or Solana or Cardano, XRP, they don't have to run. However, when BlackRock applied for an Ethereum ETF, then chances are everything's gonna run, because Ethereum doesn't run on its own. The whole point of Ethereum is it's got some smart contracts that works across the board, right, on a lot of different other chains. Because think about it, right? This ETF news from BlackRock right now is pumping Bitcoin, right? And it's going to be pumping Ethereum in due time as well. And when Ethereum pumps, the whole ecosystem is going to be pumping, the DEXs on Ethereum, such as Uniswap, SushiSwap, and also the liquidity staking, right, tokens on Ethereum, such as Lido, such as Frax. They're all going to be pumping as well. So, and because this Ethereum is seen as the king of layer ones, right? When it starts to pump, the other competing, right, layer ones, such as Solana, AVAX, right, HBAR, Near, they're going to be pumping as well. So this is my reason for calling a bull market 5 weeks ago and saying this is going to start the bull market in altcoins. Now the question is, we think the bull market is continue at least for another 2 to 3 months, maybe even longer, hopefully. But then which coins should we get into? Now, two things to keep in mind is, one is market cap. The smaller the market cap, the easier it is for it to go up, right? Something that's like Bitcoin, that's like $1 trillion market cap. If it doubles, it'll be an amazing feat. But a small coin can double in like an hour sometimes, the really risky small ones. And also the narratives, right? Obviously, gaming is a hot narrative right now. What narratives do you think are also hot? Let me know in the comments and follow Pablo for more.